How to close group chat. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close a group chat on Imo app. So first thing, go to your Imo, click on it. Now all you need to do is choose the group you want. For example, the first one. Keep clicking on the group and you're gonna find the last option, which is close that. It, like you see, the group has disappeared. And this is it. Just go to your page, choose the group you want, click on close, and it's done. The group has disappeared. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. And if this video was helpful, or if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.